Hello, hello everyone. My name is Nikita Abbar and my topic name is medical diagnosis using machine learning. So I'm going to explain this topic to all of you. So the problem that I have identified is a late diagnosis of a disease leading to delayed treatment and recovery is a very common occurrence. Now imagine how many lives could be saved if we were able to diagnose a disease even before it appeared in an individual's body. Well, machine learning technology is now being explored and leveraged to shorten the diagnosis time of many diseases like cancer. Okay. So, our problem is our problem statement is diagnosis of a disease using machine learning. So machine learning can be used in a techniques and tools that can assist in a disease diagnosis. Machine education in the medical sector improves patient safety at a minimum cost. Use of a ML machine learning instances is almost perfectly diagnosed. Best medicines recommended, read, remission predicted, and high risk patients identified. These predictions are based on the patient's anonymized records and symptoms. The effective implementation of a machine learning techniques in a medical diagnosis is a therapy planning and patient monitoring. So here is our literature survey. So in the IEEE, in a 2017, the IEEE paper was published that was machine learning for improved diagnosis and prognosis in a healthcare. And in a IEEE 2022, a review on application of a machine learning in a medical diagnosis. This paper was published. And in a 2022 again, uh, implementation and use of a disease diagnosis systems for electronic medical records based on machine learning. This paper was published. Okay, so we have identified the problem. So now it's our time to find the solution. So we have found a solution. Medical diagnosis. Medical diagnosis is a complex task largely considered as an empirical task but understood poorly as a cognitive task. Thus, as complex as it may be seen, diagnosis using a computer, for example, using ML in our case is divided into multiple steps. The first step of a disease diagnosis is data acquisition. This data could be in varied forms including but not limited to medical interview. Number one, clinical, demographic imaging speech and patient's historical data, or even heard sound. The next step involves processing. In this, the data is prepared, missing values, dimensionality reduction, dealing with a noisy data, and so on is made in this step. Next, the target variable and the predictors are identified. This data is then fed to one of the models for training. Once the model is trained, then it is then used for a diagnosis. Okay. So this is our architectural design. So first we take a clinical data of the patient and we use machine learning to identify uh, we use machine learning for identifying the patient's disease, and in the diagnosis model we actually identify the we have identified the disease of particular patient. So these are some technical details. The analysis of a clinical data enables us to understand the biological mechanisms that underlie diseases and how risk factors influence their development. Thankfully, a large amount of data is currently available to clinicians, ranging from details of clinical symptoms to various types of biochemical assays and outputs of imaging devices. These are some of the examples of types of data that could be useful to make an accurate medical diagnosis using machine learning. Disease data, psychological, physiological. Disease data, physiological measurements and information about known diseases or symptoms that an individual has experienced. These are stored in the disease data. In environmental data, information about an individual's environmental exposures such as smoking, sunbathing, weather conditions, etc. are stored in the environmental data. And genetic data, like all or key parts of the DNA sequence of an individual, all these types of data will be stored in the genetic data. So, conclusion is that the study of relevant factors and different types of data jointly allows practitioners to diagnose diseases more effectively, so and more quickly, so that the disease can be identified uh, within a less time, so that it will not affect, the disease will not affect to person's body. uh, we will identify it earlier, and we have started getting treatment of that particular disease. The patient will get the treatment of particular disease uh, easily and fastly. Okay, thank you.